Looking for the best free traffic source in 2022? Then guys, this one traffic source has brought me thousands of impressions and engagement last year in 2021. So if you're an affiliate marketing beginner, you might be using organic traffic, and the two very important thing in the organic traffic is impressions and engagement. These are the two key things, guys. You have to look for the platform which can give you impression and the engagement for free. You create a website or a landing page or maybe a simple offer. Assume this is your affiliate offer. You have to select the platform which can give you free impression and engagement, and SEO is one of the best way. Now in SEO, guys, you can start website, which will take a lot of time. You can also go with YouTube channel, which I already showed you how to do. This short is one of the best platform. The third very effective for an affiliate marketing beginner is, guys, Pinterest. In this short video, I'm going to show you my statistics of last year, which will definitely going to help you to build your Pinterest so that you can drive thousands of free impressions and engagement to your affiliate offer without getting banned. So if you're here first time, guys, subscribe my channel, enable the notification and give the thumbs up to this video, guys. So now here you can see in the last just 6 months, I just took the 6 month of here from June 2021, I'm able to drive almost thousands of impression to my affiliate contents in my landing page or the website, and amazing engagement also, and still spiritual niche page is growing. Whereas, guys, I left this niche because I want to start a new niche here in 2022, that is weight loss. And here you can see, let me show you some of the clicks which I bought here. Pin clicks. This means, guys, how many people has made the clicks on my content here, okay, and saw my landing page. Okay, that is very, very important. So if I select pin clicks, here you can see in the bottom almost 37,615 pin clicks from this one traffic source. So if you're a beginner, guys, this is one of the traffic source which you have to build. Now I know that some of you have tried in 2021 but account got suspended or you're not getting the sales. There is a reason behind that, but I'm going to share you that 2 reasons which you have to focus. So Pinterest is, guys, visual search engine. Here you can see this is the spiritual niche which I grow from zero, thousands of you which I have showed you and I have documented in front of you. Right here you can see Pinterest affiliate marketing. You can go to my channel, you can check this playlist. I have showed you everything here, from creating this brand new account to getting clicks as well as the sales, okay, affiliate sales. And that is the reason, guys, you have to start right away, right now, watching that playlist. Here you can see these are some of my idea pin. Now this is a game changer. So if you click here, guys, create, all of you know about this pin and boards, but they have introduced this new thing called, guys, idea pin. Idea pins are like Instagram reel or YouTube shorts, guys, which is driving good traffic to me. Right here you can see, if I click this one, look at this, the impression this video has got. Look at this simple video of 60 seconds. You can use video as well as you can use the images also, and I got 60 pin click. Okay, that means people has clicked this one here. This all are the idea pin, guys, like a reel. Okay, so now if you go down, now this is my pin where I promote my affiliate products, right? If you click here, this one here, if you click this one, and here you can see this is one simple blog here, 35 I am affirmation for manifestation. This is a spiritual niche. Now I write this kinds of the website, guys. Now when I say website, you don't need SEO or the hosting. You just simply need a domain. You can add in your Google site, or one of the best option I can give you right away right now is, guys, system.io, click funnel alternative, and here they have one option called, guys, blog. You can create one blog and unlimited blog post. That means you can create a website with your domain, and that is very, very important. And this is one of the biggest reason, guys, your account may be suspended or you're not getting the views. Okay, do not just simply create a landing page and promote like a ad platform. Remember one thing, guys, Pinterest is not a Shopify store. Pinterest visual search engine where you provide content to the people. They read the content like this. Look at this. They read the content and then you are sending them to the affiliate offer. Another big reason is, guys, the duplicate pins. A lot of people create duplicate pins. That also I covered on the series, you can watch. So for example, guys, if you have created this pin over here, and if you use the same image or other people's image or the same headline or the same text, right? You are just creating duplicate pin. Create a fresh pin. So this fresh pin means, guys, this one blog, right? Look at this URL here. Why the law of attraction is not working, and 5 reasons why the law of attraction is not working. It's a fresh new blog and it's a fresh URL, guys. For this blog, guys, you're going to create a fresh pin like this. Okay, look at this fresh pin, and you have to save this pin to the relevant board, guys. There are many boards. Look at this: manifestation journal, money manifestation, manifestation, numerology, and so many other boards are there. But if you see, guys, this is talking about the law of attraction not working. So if you go here, guys, you can see I have another board called, guys, law of attraction is not working. And if you go here, guys, you can see this pin. This is called, guys, saving relevant pin. Okay, now if you create this pin again and again, okay, here with the same images, same right text here, okay, same headline, that is called, guys, duplicate pin. Or maybe you're using the same pin to other boards, guys, like any other boards like manifestation video, like gratitude or meditation, and again, that is called, guys, duplicate pin. So do not do this two mistake, guys, and then you can get amazing free traffic, right? You can show to your content to the relevant audience and you can get amazing impressions and engagement. Hope you're going to add this Pinterest one more traffic channel in your affiliate marketing in 2022. Do not run back of sales, guys. Build this traffic channel and drive the traffic to your landing page or to your website. That is how, guys, affiliate marketers do, right? They build their platform. They don't run back of sales like how other people are doing. So this is amazing platform along with YouTube short, which I showed you in the last video. If you got the value from this video, guys, give the thumbs up to this video, subscribe the channel, guys, and before you go, do not forget to watch this Pinterest playlist where I showed you how to start Pinterest on a right way from SEO to getting some sales. These videos will help you to start right away right now.